Englewood Indian Mounds Park. Look, you can see right through the house. And yeah, the neighbor's house, pretty much the same thing. Oh, can't have that. That's going to be copyright violation. Look at the side of this house is blown out. So yeah, you think that, wow, look at these. All these houses are just like blasted right through, gutted. Windows knocked out of this little thing here. Blown out from the inside. Yeah, so we got a lot to be thankful for. This didn't hit us, but... And these people, they got a little bit left. That's something to be thankful for, I guess.